The next issue we'll talk about is steering pull. So to test for this issue, find a safe, straight, level stretch of road and gently release your grip on the steering wheel. So does the coach pull to one side consistently? It is important to be aware that if you have a lot of crosswind or a lot of road crown when you're testing for pull, these can affect your results. So if you have a steady wind from one side, it's going to tend to push you in that direction and may cause you to think you have steering pull when really it's just a result of that crosswind. So this issue may also be known as drift. So first, you may want to look to see if you have any alignment problems. If you've never checked your alignment and or if you've got some unusual tire wear developing, then we would recommend getting an alignment in case of a steering pull. Other factors this could be due to tire pressure difference from side to side. You want to have your tire pressure set the same on a single axle. Uneven weight distribution side to side also can induce a pull. If you have a severe ride height difference from side to side, this could be coupled with the weight distribution issue. Could also be due to a radial tire pull. So if you think it may be due to the tires, like it didn't happen before you got a new set of tires, for instance, swap your front tires from side to side and then see if the pull changes direction. That would indicate a problem with the tire itself. Could also be due to an improperly centered steering gear. And if you have a self-centering steering control, such as the Safety Plus, it could be due to an adjustment issue. So in order to adjust a Safety Plus, basically what you're doing is changing where that bracket clamps onto the tie rod. So here you can see basically what you do is change where this bracket clamps on, as that changes your center point for the Safety Plus. So if it's way off, you may want to just mark where that bracket was installed. So get a paint marker or use masking tape or a Sharpie to mark exactly where that bracket was. Remove the unit and then drive it again without the steering control installed. So if it no longer pulls, then that can be a sign that the steering control needs to be adjusted. But this is why it's really important before you get something such as a Safety Plus installed to know how the coach drives. So you don't want to be wondering, oh, did I have an issue before that now the unit is masking, or is this actually a new issue that's really just an installation error?